Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix NVIDIA app not working on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type services, click on open it. In services, you just need to search for NVIDIA services. You just need to find the NVIDIA services. Just double click on it one by one. Set this to automatic, and if the service status is stopped, then you just need to start the service and select apply and OK for save changes. Do the same for other NVIDIA services listed over here. After doing it, just close stuff here. Go to search menu and type msconfig, comes up system configuration, click on open it. Select services tab and select checkmark hide all Microsoft services. In this list, you just need to find NVIDIA services guys. You just need to check mark the NVIDIA services listed over here. After check marking it, select apply and OK for save changes. And now you just need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. You just need to expand the display adapter section and right click on your graphics card driver and select uninstall device. You just need to check mark this option guys, attempt to remove the driver for this device and select uninstall option. After uninstalling the driver, you just need to close stuff here. Now you just need to check my video description for the download link. You just need to scroll down. In here you just need to select your graphics card model guys. Select your operating system, select your language and select start search option. And now you will get the drivers over here. Now you just need to download the latest driver. Select the get download option. Select the download now option and it started downloading. After getting download done, you just need to install this driver guys. After the installation done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type power cfg.cpl. Click on OK. In here, you just need to select choose what the power buttons do. Select change settings that are currently unavailable. Under shutdown settings, if you have turn on fast startup option listed over here, you just need to uncheck the box guys. After unchecking it, select save changes option and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these method fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.